It's home cooking.
The chow.
Any one of this.
This is a Bombay market. Oh, the birds in the road.
Right in the shade.
Oh, look at them. They're all over there, too.
Yeah, they
What are they? Seagulls?
are. Pigeon. Oh, yeah, seagulls.
What? Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
No way.
Why?
Because we're not... Alright, these are pigeons, but we're not in the... We're not at the ocean.
No.
Aren't seagulls at the sea?
In Salem.
Yeah, that's when the... Well, usually the ones in Salem, they come inland when there's going to be a big storm, but that's usually the only time we have seagulls. And the storm's coming. But we're in the middle of the desert. I don't understand. I mean, I understand they call this a sea, but it's not really. I don't know. Way too fast, didn't see him. Where's this Bombay Beach supposed
Look
to
at
be?
these weird things.
Yeah.
No, this is it.
Where? Oh, I see up there.
Yeah. Look at the ice cream cart.
Huh.
Look at their roof. They made it look like rock. That's pretty good.
No. Interesting.
Very. Texas Night Ranger.
Those are all old TVs that they've painted pictures and things on. It's really trippy. There you are.
It's pretty trippy.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take you inside and show you this place. The walls are covered with money. They say there's about $11,000 on the walls in here. The food here was great. We ate here twice. The roast beef wasn't sliced. It was like a real home-cooked meal. The au jus sauce was homemade as well. I've never had an au jus sauce that wasn't from a packet. Wait till you see this room. It's pretty crazy. Salton Sea.
Doesn't smell bad today.
No, definitely not bad.
And you see that guy down there? Looks like he has wood set up to make a really good fire. But I have binoculars. I should go.
Going that way, huh? Follow this road that way, or even out that way. But I think if you go that way, it just drops you down there anyway. Because it looks like everything goes up there, drops you down.
Looks like there's a roof over there. It's got a
Most places they got environmental concerns, but I guess they don't here, right? Oh, it's just aluminum siding that they made us. That's kind of neat. Somebody put some effort into it.
It's really crunchy.
That wasn't as easy to bend and all, you know. They probably did.
Lithium. The poison is lithium. There's a swing. Let's go swing in the water if it wasn't so disgusting.
You know, I lived in Vegas for 4 years. I've been to the Hoover Dam Casino, which is like 2 miles. That's pretty, Jeremy. All right, this is a desert haircut. There you go.
Oh,
There you go. Look at it fly.
I tell you, look at this insulation that's just blowing away. We could put that in the van door.
Yeah.
You should stand in front of the van because the beach is prettier to look at.
Wow, this is really weird.
It looks good though.
Here, let me see. I'll
Yeah,
show you.
she's doing a good job. Yeah.
Oh, this isn't your first time. You know, I think you look good with just half a hair. Just stop right there. You can be very trendy.
Look at it. It's going. I'm leaving my mark. I'm leaving my mark in the desert.
That is desert art.
That's what desert art. Oh, Susan, collect all this hair and go put it on that bust over there.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I am. I am.
I really think you ought to consider leaving a circle patch or something.
That, no.
You look kind of funny though.
I am artwork. I'll go sit on the bench.
I am art.
Be one of those like statues.
Now, what SPF are you going to be using?
Yeah.
It looks good.
I don't have too bad a shape
He's
to
got a
head.
nice shaped head. Sorry.
At least warn a guy.
You're a little
I could feel the wind now.
Very nice. Very nice.
Feels good. All right. And if I didn't, I wouldn't bring it out. I'll show you. How fast.
It's a strange sky.
That's awesome. That's pretty cool. I don't got room in my van for one though.
All right, this is day 9, and we are at the Salton Sea having coffee in the morning. I think I actually slept just a little bit better last night. There was a train, I didn't even realize there was train tracks. Did you see the train tracks? Oh, they must have been the other side of the road. Gerard is still sleeping. He must have had a good night's sleep last night. Me and Susan are up having coffee. It's like 7:35 in the morning. Betsy's up. She's out walking with Josie. We had a really, really good time yesterday. It is much better here than what has been portrayed on videos and stuff. I think they just look for the bad and just record it. But this really is a beautiful place. Very intriguing, lots of artwork. It doesn't smell that bad. There was a time period last night where it smelled quite sewery. Yeah. There's a breeze that came through.
Good morning. Don't miss the golden sunset at the end. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done that. We need your support to keep this channel going. It's free to subscribe. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you soon.